Alright, so AC off, no noise. AC on. Make sure there's a tensioner, no plug. Shut it off! Shut the AC off! AC off.